Hello everyone, I'm Tanya Garg and I scored an aggregate of 449 marks in CA Intermediate, which resulted in a rank of 48. Individual subjects mein I scored 88 in accounts, 71 in law, 65 in taxation, and in group 2 I secured a highest score in my result is 94 in costing, then 60 in audit and 71 in FMSM. The first thing I would like to say is that be very attentive in your classes. I see people using their phone or sleeping in the classes, but that won't help you at the time of self-study. So attend your classes regularly as well as do your homework side by side and be very consistent in your work. As the self-study approaches, I would like to say that take good sleep, because अगर तुम नहीं सोगे और फिर then you will start revising, you will just feel sleepy and nothing will go into your mind. So I would say take at least 6.5 to 7 hours of sleep and then start your preparations, then start your day. I started with taxation and FMSM, so you can couple 2 subjects at a time because they are easy to handle, and preferably one should be theory and one should be practical. In taxation, I would recommend that be very clear with the provisions. If you don't have time, cut down the questions, but don't cut down the provisions, and try to go really deep into the theory questions, especially in tax. And then I did law. Law में you can write in your own words, but try to cram the figures. Because जो figures है वो exact paper में test होती है कि exact percentages of figures, so don't skip on that. Then in costing, I would like to recommend follow Ashish sir's notes as well as the study material. It's very good. Most of the questions that came in exam were like I had already practiced them. So I think you should follow Ashish sir's book as well as the questions that he gave. Plus mark the questions in your first revision as well as the homework. For example, cost में homework करते हुए जो class के साथ साथ ही mark the important questions और easy वालों को discard कर दो ताकि बाद में time save हो. Just don't focus on those easy questions. और first revision में जो class में questions होते हैं उनको mark करो ताकि second revision में they don't bother you and you don't have to give separate time to them. Lastly, I would like to say one day pressure को handle करने के लिए just keep revising the things just before the exam so that one day में इतना ज़्यादा pressure ना हो, ये ना लगे कि सब भूल गए. And try to be clear with the concepts, क्योंकि one day में सब कुछ revise नहीं हो पाता, तो जो चीज़ें ज़्यादा weak है उनको revise करने की कोशिश करो. And go through in practical subjects you should go through the pocket books, and in theory subject charts वगैरह का कोई point नहीं होता, जितना भी हो वो main book से करो. Especially हमारे पेपर में audit का बहुत deep आया था पेपर, so try to go into deep as well.